Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will need to power off the device, and once it's off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now, and once you see the Mi logo on the screen like this, you can let go of the keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to show up. And there we go. Now in this mode you'll need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And that being said, we can reboot the device, which will take us back to Android, and wipe data from here, connect with the application, put the device in the safe mode, and boot it into repair mode. Which, to be honest, these two would probably seem like they're basically the same thing, I would say. I haven't checked out the repair mode, so I don't actually know what it does. But anyway, once you have decided what you want to do, and your option is selected like this, you can then press power key to confirm it. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with reboot. Select reboot system now, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.